World Hunger Organization maybe. When have you done a good deed to my country? See, you are contributing money. I said, you remember. Okay, we go out. And I would invite everybody. I would invite maybe China, the African. They have not been able to stop it. And all of the Middle East. Why don't we just form another organization? Why do you have to listen to this stupid threatening me with what? You want me to go to prison? I said, there are three stakes there. My honor, my life, and the presidency. Do not shit with me. Automatic agad ang redact.
You're seriously contemplating on separating from the UN, considering that you said...
US, yes, because we have never been a member.
UN, sir, UN po.
UN. The joke is on you. You have to refund me with the so many contributions that you have made all these years. So, ulit ninyo yung contribution namin. We would go out. We contribute a certain amount to the maintenance of the UN, right? You return the money to us and we will go out. I can build, with that amount, I can build so many rehab centers all over the country. But there was a time, I think, that a few countries really contemplated of going out. One was China. I do not know what's inside their minds now. But because it's an affront when you do that. If it is really the Congress or the people of the Philippines would say that I am not doing enough, I would verily accept that. But you do not just throw that kind of allegation or statement without coming even here to just relying on the reports of the newspapers. That's what you do. That's what you do. Newspapers and these tabloids. And you make criticisms against the... Remember that I'm not a mayor anymore. I represent the country. Kindly do not do it. So I'd like to talk to that said alleged expert of the UN. I demand that he comes here. Or if he wants, we can go somewhere else to a third country. Let him talk to me and let him face me with hard facts. Not newspaper clippings because, unless it is edible, you do not do that to just go around insulting people. You know, United Nations, if you can say one bad thing about me, I can give you 10. But I tell you, you are an inutile. Because if you are really true to your mandate, you could have stopped all these wars and killing. 500,000 already killed in. But the goal to call by attention, nagpapadala ka dyan sa mga NGO, mga newspaper clippings and critical. All you do is to read editorials. What have you done for the world, Mr. United Nations? At yung tao na yung expert ninyo, let me, if he comes here to tell him straight, Mayor Duterte would ask only 5 questions to prove that you're stupid. Only 5 questions. He will just ask you to answer 5 questions. And he will prove to the world that you are a very stupid expert. As if I did. You must remember, baka akala nito, I took AB Foreign Service. Check it out with Lyceum. Political science, then I add another one. Because I had an accident, so motors accident, one of the many. So na-late ako ng isang semester. So may extra time I took foreign service. Consular practice and procedure, geopolitics, world trade, international trade. Baka ninyo kayo putang ina. Uy, mga ulol. Let's have a debate. Hindi nga ninyo ma-enforce yung mga order ninyo dyan. Ninyo matapos-tapos yung patayan. Then you worry about the lives of criminal, with the bones of the criminals piling up. And so, how about the bones of the other guy on the side? Those who were killed innocently. Had we not stopped it, so the count will continue in favor of the criminals. Just imagine kung hindi, had I not been the president. And the top narco general was the military aide of a presidential candidate. What would have happened to this country? Gentlemen and ladies, it's 3 o'clock in the morning. And if somebody knows the song, All That I Ask of You, it's 3 in the morning.
Sir, babo na lang, sir. Sir.
Please, let me go home.
Sir, hindi kayo magkaroon ng serious repercussions po yung statements na binigay nyo about UN just now, sir?
What is repercussions? I don't give a shit to them. They are the ones interfering. You know what? They should have started it with the protocol. No, they would have said somebody to talk to me. Or at least the rapporteur. You do not go out and just give a shitting statement against a country. What repercussions? You have fallen short of the protocol needed for respect. And you want me to respect you. You must be a shit. Dapat ganun, presidente na ginaganon mo. Huwag mo munang ipadala dyan. Do not criticize immediately. Itong si Yutat naman, how do you pronounce the word? He should have written me a letter. Addressed to the Foreign Service. Mr. President, can we have your... My performance as a mayor has nothing to do with it. These are recent events na ang bastos hindi ako. They should suffer the repercussions. You have not followed the basic rudiments of courtesy and protocol. Kayo yung bugok, hindi ako. I studied my laws very well. Look at my records. Look at the subjects that I... Consular practice and procedure, international law, international trade, and everything. Baka akala ninyo gago ako. At least, bagay, hindi kasing gago mo. Tell them na you observe protocol because if you do that directly, you are addressing yourself to me. Remember that I do not like to say it because I want to be called mayor still. I am a president of a sovereign country. Sabihin sa inyo na, mayroon ba silang representative dito? Tell them straight. Bastos ka. An American? Indian? Chinese? Filipino? O what? America. Tell this American, show your respect first. Show your respect. Because sabihin ko, let's start to criticize him. Why are you Americans killing the black people there, shooting them down when they are already on the ground? Answer that question. Because even if it's only 1 or 2 or 3, it's still human rights violation. God damn, you tell that to that American there. Or better still, tell him that I will pay him a visit if there is time. You just tell me where I can find him. So, the mayor is asking where can he see you. Ako pupunta doon. Gago.